Okay, welcome back to the last drawing here for the step. We're going to add the arced portion here so that when this step closes it can hinge properly with our component. So here we're going to create a new sketch. We're going to want to sketch it to the right work plane. So then I'm going to hit in to view normal to sketch plane. And I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. What I like to do here, to be honest, is over here on the view cube, if you go down and you hit hidden edges visible, it'll get rid of the color portion. You can really see what you've been working with from this part. So from here I want to go ahead and sketch my little arched doorway. So from the line, from the bottom horizontal, I'm going to just draw my line. I have two lines here and I'm going to make them, snap them vertical and horizontal. Then A for arc, which is a 3-point arc. So I need a starting point, ending point, and then I need a radius, and I want to bring it up to tangent. And now that I have my geometric line, I can go ahead and add my dimensions. So D for dimensions. I want the radius to be 12. I want the center point from the end of the step to be 50, and then I want the height to be 15. And now that I have it, I'm almost done. There's one final step that if you don't do, you will not be able to extrude it, and that is that thing called the use with sketch command, because we're drawing this on the right work plane, which is really in the center. So as I rotate, you see how it's gone here. It's because it's actually still in the center for that, and I need to project this bottom line to it. So up here in our drawing window on the quick access toolbar, I have this little thing use, which just projects that geometry. So if you turn it on, you want to select this bottom line, and now see how it shaded inside that drawing, letting me know that I now have two different components, and I'm ready to move on here. So now I can accept sketch 6 and I'm ready to extrude it. So it's sitting right here in the center, and I can select extrude. When I extrude, I'm actually removing material. The faces that I want to extrude are what I just drew here, which is sketch 6, and instead of blind, I want it to be through all, and it's going in one direction at this point, so it's going through all of the components here. So I need to add a second end position, which will be in the opposite direction, and instead of blind, it is through all as well. And now it's cutting my component all the way through. So I can go ahead and accept it now, and my part is done. If you would like, you can come back over to this little view cube area and go back to shaded, and now you can see our step. We have a couple more things we want to do here. We want to assign a material. So I'm going to come to the feature tree, right click, assign material, and this step is made from nylon. And now I should be ready to check my component properties. And I think this is done in kilograms. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's looking for what I want to prop it on, and I have this set up as kilograms. And actually, you know, this is one of the few times, I mean, sometimes when you draw it, folks, it's perfectly drawn because the quiz question is 1.493 kilograms. All right, folks, congratulations. We have now completed the part design using Parts Studio. Your certification should be complete.